Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video we are going to set up first time Alexa Echo Show 5. And after setup, we will also perform a factory reset. I will explain how to factory reset once you have your device is ready. So step one, as soon as you turn on your device, they're going to ask you about your language. There's a couple language. You can choose either one. I'm going to choose English, United States.
Hello. Ready for setup.
You will hear this message, ready for setup. Then it will detect couple Wi-Fi network. You have to choose one belongs to you. So I'm going to choose this one. This one is mine. Once you choose, it's going to ask you password. I'm going to put password out of the camera and then we will press done. I have filled the password already. I'm going to click on done. Connect. It will take a couple seconds. It will connect to the Wi-Fi network. So now here we have to put a Amazon account like email and password. I'm going to do out of the camera again. As soon as we fill the email and password for Amazon account, it already recognized me. It asking me to continue. So I'm going to click on continue. Once I click on continue, it asking me to select the time. You can choose one in your direction. I have a Los Angeles. Then you're gonna choose one of them. Okay, here I got one Los Angeles, United States, Pacific Daylight Time. That is my in California. I'm going to click continue again. So it's asking my address. It will pick up address by itself, but you can skip if you don't want. It's asking where this device is going to be. It's already picked up a living room. You can choose whatever the place is going to be, or you can skip. Now it's already recognized my name. It recognized my name according to my Amazon account. I have a enter already. Continue. You're updating. So first you will see this video. So we can play.
Hi,
I
we're
didn't
glad
find
you're
any
here.
place to skip or anything. I was just skip forward all the way. Then I will run. No thanks. So basically now you can skip everything is asking because you almost done. It says
This
and our
device is
device is
ready.
ready. So our device is ready. Whatever you will say, it will prompt. Alexa, turn on room fan.
Okay.
So it's already fan is already on. Okay, so now our device is fully ready to use. You can say anything or you have to set up for the first time, then you can do. Actually, I have already other device. So now let's talk about a couple more functions. I will not name up this device because she's just waking up. So first, if you wanna just do some setting, just simply slide from the top and you see home, brightness, do not disturb setting. You can go to setting, do more setting. You can have a brightness low and high. There's also a couple buttons. The first one is a mute button. You can turn off and on. Then there's a volume low button, volume high button. Then there's camera shutter. You can just close shutter from camera. So for that's all for the setup for first time is quick, but now we are going to factory reset. I will show how you can factory reset this Echo Show 5. For factory reset, simply you have to go on the top and slide down. You will see setting. You can go to setting. Inside the setting, you just keep going on the bottom. There's a couple things. There will be device option. We are going to click on device option. You click, then it's gonna show your device. Keep going, and it says reset to factory default. You can click here. You can also reset from your Amazon Alexa app from your smart device. From here we are going to click reset, and we are going to click reset factory reset. Once you're done, you will see the yellow line on the bottom. That means Alexa is already started to be factory reset. It will take a couple seconds, probably it will take almost like 2 minutes to be fully reset. It will go to power off, come back, and your Alexa will be factory reset. It took almost about 2 minutes to be factory reset. Now it says we are getting ready to set up again and getting your device online. So that's all you have to do to factory reset. Our device is factory reset and ready to be for new owner. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.